off, you substantially weaken the chassis, don't you?
You make it lighter, that's for sure. Well, you probably won't do it this time. Oh, God.
You did it really slowly, so you didn't bother running up.
You take a run up like I did.
No, he went slow.
Just gonna go to the toilet.
Alright.
Alright.
Well,